Welcome to the Squirrel Cloud POS training series. In this video, we'll walk through how to create separate checks using manual separate, best used in departments that don't use seats, or when the separating of checks is more complicated than simply each seat being its own check. Let's say that it is the birthday of the person on seat 2, and the other people want to split all of this person's items so that they can pay their bill. Touch the check number to get to the check action screen. Tap Manual Separate. You will now see the Manual Separate screen. If we wish to create more than 2 checks, then we would use the plus sign in the top right to add the number of checks that we want to create. Remember that the already existing check counts as 1, so only add any additional checks that you will need. In this example, we are creating 3 checks, so we will touch the plus sign once. You can now see an arrow button in the upper left corner. You will use this to navigate between the new checks that you are creating, so you can add items to the proper checks. Because we want to split all the items on seat 2 between the other 3 seats, we will first split those. Touch one of the items on seat 2 to highlight it. Then tap Split. You will now be prompted for the amount that you wish to split that item by. We will select 3. You will see that the item has been split into 3, spanning across 3 different seats. Let's also split the other item on seat 2. Now that we have the items on seat 2 split into 3, we will now start moving items to the new checks. Let's start with seat 1. We can highlight that entire seat and move it to the new check on the right by touching the seat number, and then touching the arrow button in the middle pointing to the right. Let's now move the 2 seat 2 items that were split into 3 by highlighting each item and touching that same arrow. Let's now touch the arrow at the top to switch to another check. Highlight seat 3 and move it over. You can see that we have now created 3 checks. Now that you are done, you can either select Finish or Finish and Print to complete the creating of the 3 checks. You'll return to the Check/Table selection screen, where you will see the separate checks. If you are in a table type department, tap Checklist to view all the new checks. You will see that each separate check has the same table number. That's it. You've now successfully split a check using the Manual Separate button. This helps simplify group payments and gives your guests more flexibility. Thanks for watching, and continue on with more videos in our Squirrel Cloud training series.